Hello friends, welcome to my channel DIY by Arjun. Today I will give review of the book Parable of Pipeline. Now in this book the writer Burke Hedges first talks about himself that his father was a great successful businessman. The writer introduces how his father has become successful. He says that a pipeline is a lifeline. What does it mean? He tells this by a story of two boys named Pablo and Bruno. Here Pablo and Bruno have got the job to carry water by bucket from river to the town well. On the first day, Pablo understood that this bucket carrying job he could do till a particular age. So as a result, when he stops working by illness or by tiredness, so the income will also stop. And if you need money, that time no money will come because you are not working and carrying buckets, so you will not get enough money to support your life. So he built a pipeline which pumped water from the river to the town well. Now the income is flowing into his bank account every time the pipeline worked. That is the power of pipeline. Now tell me, who are you, a bucket carrier or a pipeline builder? Now you know that there is no security in bucket carrying because buckets can dry because of hot sun. It means when there is no work fastly done, then you will have some only income to fulfill your needs. Sometimes people start building the pipelines, but they saw the bucket carriers are carrying bigger buckets and getting more income. They don't see what is going to happen in the future. They only look that today we are living a happy life. So they refuse to choose pipeline and they start again bucket carrying job. We know that bucket carrying job don't fulfill our whole needs because buckets carrying gets us the income. As we know time is money, then when we spend 1 hour is equal to 10 rupees as income, but pipeline are flowing continuously, so you can get the income continuously while you are carrying buckets also and while you are not carrying buckets also. Now here the writer is telling a new story about a baseball player carrying buckets having too much income, big buckets, and a teacher carrying small buckets and building pipeline having a low income, but her income increases with time. In the baseball player's life, he was only carrying buckets and wasting money. After he was retired, he has stopped working and he don't have any income flowing in his pockets. In the teacher's life, the teacher has the bucket carrying job till she continued to get income. How? Here is the answer. The teacher also invested a lot of money in stocks, mutual funds, etc. Don't don't you think that the teacher did don't you think that teacher did not enjoy her life and only worked? But of course, the teacher enjoyed her life also. She traveled and visited many countries. She also played a lot and enjoyed a lot because of the stocks were pumping money into her bank account so that she can take rest and shop, and also did her bucket carrying job. Leverage is the power behind the pipeline. Leverage means when you just write a page and place it in the copier machine, so it will copy your page to 200. So now you know the leverage can save time and money and let you give the time to someone or something else. It also means as lever. Thereafter, the author described the Palm Beach pipeline or doubling concept. Leverage creating compound effect causing doubling of money. Here the writer explains compounding by a story in which the Emperor of China wanted to grant a wish to the person who invented the game of chess. The inventor demanded that he wants 1 grain on the first square of chessboard, 2 grains on the second, 4 grains on the third, and thus double grains on the each next square. But soon the emperor realized that the grains were of very huge amount. This is the doubling concept. Author also explained method to calculate the time in which you can double your money. It is rule of 72. If your original investment is rupees 10,000 and the annual returns interest is 10% per year, so 72 divided by 10 is equal to 7.2. This 7.2 are the years, is the time taken by your money, the amount to double. So it will be 20,000 in 7.2 years. Author explained savings by example. If a person saves 20% of his income and spends other parts in needs, wants, or spending and giving, then to double this money for entire lifetime's expenses, it will take 50 years. So this is 50-year pipeline. Some can wait, but some cannot wait for this for 50 years. Author suggests to use a 5-year pipeline plan for those who don't want to wait. Author will use his 5-year time for creating wealth by building a pipeline and leveraging, which will be equal to 50 years time. Look at this. If you invest, look at this from this angle. If you invest 2 hours per day and 5 days a week, so it will be 10 hours a week, thus 3 hours Saturday and Sunday, so it will be 6 hours per week, thus 10 hours per week is equal to 16 hours per week. But if you hire many employees, then their time is leveraged by you to invest more human hours to generate income for you. So it will not be 16 hours per week, it will be more than that. The biggest tool to leverage time is internet. The writer calls this as ultimate pipeline. Internet is a way that you can connect with thousands of people at a single moment, but the problem is loyalty. Author further insists to develop your business on internet. If large business network is developed on internet, on e-commerce platform, then it is called as e-compounding. This is how the book explains business strategies and creating money pipeline. Thanks for watching, and before leaving, please subscribe my channel. For more videos, please press the bell icon downside. Bye. See you soon. Thank you.